Hello again everyone. Today we have a special sound and that sound is O. O. Now this is one of those strange sounds where we say it O, 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 but actually we spell it with the letters L, E. So when you see the letters L, E, we make the O sound. Are you ready for some words? Yes, 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 yes. What do we have today? Let's go and have a look. B, up, b, O, bubble, bubble. The bubble will pop if you touch it. P, z, o, puzzle, puzzle. We enjoy doing the jigsaw puzzle. A, p, o, apple, apple. The apple grows on a tree. J, g, o, juggle, juggle. My teacher can juggle with 3 balls. G, I, g, o, giggle, giggle. I giggle at the funny man. B, o, buckle, buckle. The buckle is at the end of the belt. K, d, o, cuddle, cuddle. I give my mum a cuddle every day. P, a, d, o, paddle, paddle. The paddle will make the boat move. B, o, t, o, bottle, bottle. The juice is in the bottle. R, a, t, o, rattle, rattle. The baby likes to play with a rattle. Can you use the words? There are not too many this week. Is it an easy sound? What do you think? Well, let's see if we can use the words. Come on. The will pop if you touch it. B, a, b, o, bubble. The bubble will pop if you touch it. We enjoy doing the jigsaw puzzle. We enjoy doing the jigsaw puzzle. The grows on a tree. Apple. The apple grows on a tree. My teacher can with 3 balls. Juggle. My teacher can juggle with 3 balls. I at the funny man. Giggle. I giggle at the funny man. The is at the end of the belt. Buckle. The buckle is at the end of the belt. I give my mum a every day. Cuddle. I give my mum a cuddle every day. The will make the boat move. Paddle. The paddle will make the boat move. The juice is in the bottle. The juice is in the bottle. The baby likes to play with a rattle. The baby likes to play with a rattle. Now you know the all words. Some great words today. And what do you think? Were they difficult? I don't think so. I think you can do another super job. See you very soon, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.